we're going to do something exciting today. We are going to test out some frame chassis paint from Summit Racing and some degreasing products and prep, and gonna see how it turns out. Here's a quick video on testing some Summit Racing frame chassis paint. I had my power washer out and sprayed off the frame. You can see the parts that I've sprayed the first coat of Summit Racing semi-gloss chassis paint on. Here's the other stuff that I power washed, but I have not done yet because I wanted to get contrast of what it will look like finished versus not. That's after one coat. So here's all the products that I used. First, I did a power spray with water. Then I used Ford 15 cleaner degreaser to get any grease and grime off of it. You can see I'm going to have to do that more down here. There's some grease and grime still on the frame, or back here where the power steering looks like it's been leaking down. I'm going to have to clean that up even more. I'm going to be taking off all this, replacing the coils and the shocks. So once I get that off, I'll clean that area more. After that, I used metal prep on any areas right here to get it ready for the chassis paint. There's no excessive rusting, so I didn't put any rust sealer on there. Maybe I'll have to do it up here. I'll have to wire brush it and use a product like this to convert that rust maybe up here, but this part didn't have any really, so I didn't want to wire brush and do all this step because it wasn't really needed. And then lastly, Summit Racing chassis paint, semi-gloss. I didn't want the super glossy. I think this semi-gloss looks outstanding, and for the price, this stuff is awesome. We'll see how it stands up to the test of time, but Summit Racing has some good prices on their own products. So yeah, that's what it looks like now. So that's it for the short video episode. I don't know what it is, 6 now. Doing some frame testing, and then I will be putting more. I'm going to take all this stuff off, prep it, and I'll be painting all of this and the fenders once I put them back in, or maybe I'll do it when they're off. Get it all set up. So thanks a lot.